Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be making plantain pie, or as other people may call it, empanadas. And for this you will need saltfish. I have some left over from the previous day. I have half a teaspoon of salt. I have half a cup of flour. And I'll be using 6 cups of water and 1 ripe plantain. Let's get started. So the plantains are done. I'm going to take them out so I can mash it. So now I'm going to mash it with a potato masher. Now I'm going to be adding some flour in gradually to make it look more like a soft type of dough. So now I have the dough with the consistency that I wanted, and I only put in 2 tablespoons of flour from that half cup that I had. So what I'm doing now is rolling them into smaller pieces and rolling it into a ball. Once it's rolled into a ball, I'm going to place it on the lightly dusted parchment paper. I dusted it with some flour, press down, and then using your fingers, you're just pretty much going to spread that dough out as far as you would like it to go. Now, don't do it too thin because it will break up, because it is just ripe plantain. So the flour is there really for binding. And now I'm going to start adding the filling, which is saltfish today. Now you're going to place it in the center of your dough. Now, do not put too much because you do have to fold it to the other side. So what I'm going to do for folding, I'm going to move it more towards the center, making sure that you keep your filling more to the middle. And then you're going to press down the edges. Now you have to be very light-handed with it, because it will break apart if you press down too hard. And here you have it. So you can pretty much just fold the ends if you see any areas with space, and you just tightly press, and there you have it.